Welcome to an exclusive talk show. This is related to an extraordinary, or you may say extravaganza product, that is an alcohol product. Biotech, the technology newly introduced in the alcoholic product, is launched in Nepal for the first time in the history of the world. So we are going to introduce you a different kinds of alcoholic product, you may say, but it's alcohol free and the side effect free of alcohol. That is none other than the bio whiskey. Namely, it's very interesting, and for the first time in Nepal it has been launched, and it is marketed by the Biospirits Nepal Private Limited, and we have a scientist, a doctor, who has introduced such kinds of technology in the sector of alcohol, that is side effect free and alcohol effect free bio whiskey. He is from India and a well-known scientist. He has made a lot of contribution on such kinds of chronological development of the alcoholic use in the world. He is Dr. B. Srinivas Amarnath. I want to welcome, warm welcome to you.
Thank you very much.
Dr. Amarnath or Dr. Srinivas or Dr. B. Which one would be closer to, more easier for you to introduce?
First of all, started?
Yeah, first of all, Dr. B.
Yeah, first of all, I am such a beautiful country. I am namaskar karta hu sara logon ko. I have never seen such a beautiful country in the world. It is Nepal.
So is this for the first time for you to be in Nepal?
No, I visited several times. This is my 42nd visit Nepal. Such a beautiful country I have never seen in the world.
By the point of what kinds of view you saw, such types of beautifulness in Nepal?
Yeah, it is naturally is beautiful. People are beautiful, most lovingly people. There is no crime comparatively other countries. People are more lovingly people. Comparatively lower Tharai belt and upper Nepal, people are very good. Amazing people. That is the reason I am planning my technology as an Indian scientist. I started, first I selected such a good country, the country top of the world. Our brand also top of the world. That is the reason I selected Nepal to launch our brand first time in Nepal.
Okay.
First time in the world.
By the point of biodiversity view, and your product in which you contributed most is much related one, because bio whiskey and biodiversity.
Yeah, see, as a doctor, 1996 I got President Award, 97 I got Talented Practitioner Award. As a doctor, I am totally against for liquor.
Okay.
The cause is, my father also doctor. I am coming from one small village. It is called near the Balaji, God Balaji is near. My village is Chaudepalli.
It's near to the Tirupati, I think.
Tirupati Balaji.
Spiritual tourism.
Yeah. My father also Ayurvedic doctor. My family, my forefathers also Ayurvedic doctors. My family having some history. King Sri Krishna Devaraya Asthana Vaidyas, my forefathers.
Okay, I just want to drag you into this basically.
Yeah, basically,
okay.
See, as a doctor, totally I am against. The cause is, in my own family, my two brothers are very big drinkers.
Okay.
They are uncontrollable drinkers. In my family, lot of my father family people are a lot of struggling because of my brothers drinking. They are very good people. After drinking,
Okay, is there any positive contribution for you to be a doctor who contributed for the alcohol effect free alcohol?
Yeah, that only I am saying. After observing several cases, several patients, my own brothers, one fine day my brother got a very big problem, cirrhosis liver. That is end stage for alcohol people. That time he is taken only, he is not taken not even water. That time he is taken only liquor only. Then I thought, so many patients, as a doctor I am very successful person. So many people are coming. Sometimes some small children also coming because of their cirrhosis liver and other problems. For small children also coming. Small children also suffering from bilirubinemia problems and so many other problems. I identified. Liquor, people are selling worldwide, almost 99% people are selling with synthetic flavors. The synthetic flavors maximum damages for human beings. Sometimes children also eating chocolates, this, that, because of synthetic flavors damages liver, central nervous system, so many other complications. Then I thought, I started the research. I traveled so many countries. The problem, big people also nowadays, as per statistics, 18 million people are suffering from every year 19 lakhs people worldwide.
First of all, in this between the discourse, I want to present this one bio whiskey for our viewers too.
Yeah.
And very proudly you announced that for the first time it is launched in Nepal.
Yeah.
So it's only because of the initiative of Biotech Spirits Nepal Private Limited.
Yeah.
You are contributing in this private limited.
Yeah.
Were you requested for spread such types of consciousness about it, or are you coming here in Nepal on behalf of your
Yeah, why not? See, I traveled worldwide. One time I am coming with samples in Nepal.
Okay.
Our Nepal, right now, this Nepal Biotech Spirits, Nepal people also requested me to launch this beautiful brand in this beautiful country. Then I have taken opinion poll, the world, entire Nepal.
Okay. Are you contributing as a marketing representatives in Nepal, or as an expert you are spreading such types of knowledge that is regarding the effect of the alcohol? Because your first visit in Nepal was only the purpose of
the Nepal, almost several brands available worldwide. So many companies importing here, local companies also producing a lot of high quantity of alcohol. I observed here almost each and every home liquor consumption comparatively other countries more here. At the same time, almost 95% brands enriched with synthetic flavors. That is the reason also we are planning launch in Nepal. At the same time, for India, it is adjoining country.
Okay.
That is one of the reason. And the culture, multiple culture available here. One is Uttarakhand culture, like Nainital, adjoining Nainital. One is Uttar Pradesh culture. One is Bihar culture, and one is West Bengal culture, and one is other side what is that, Sikkim culture,
Okay.
so many multiple cultures available here. At the same time, so many lakhs of Nepali people working worldwide.
Okay. So do you deal with the quantitative development of this product or qualitative? Because you do have that information about the composition of this liquor.
Yeah.
What kinds of composition it has?
Yeah, it is enriched with 16 natural botanical herbs.
Okay.
The technology it is fermentation technology. It is enriched with Indian and Nepali herbs. It is enriched with ashwagandha, tulsi, setavari, brahmi, and other wonderful aloe vera and other botanical herbs.
So, Dr. P. I want to drag you for the first phrase that it's very interesting. It's totally unbelievable that an alcohol, if it doesn't have any effect, what alcohol has to have.
Yeah.
If
The kick.
Yeah,
I mean, you are asking
if
kick.
it
See,
doesn't have,
yeah, it is there.
Can
Kick
you
is there.
interpret it as an alcohol? Because
No, what is
doesn't
my
have
motive?
such an alcohol.
What is my motive?
Mhm.
The alcohol always giving kick.
Okay.
At the same time, damages nervous system, liver, hangover, so many other things.
Okay.
To reduce the ill effects, to reduce the damage,
Okay.
I am compensating
Okay.
with wonder herbs.
Okay. So, Dr. Amarnath, if you don't want to have such types of effect
Yeah.
that we can get from the alcohol,
Yeah.
you can directly go for the tea. You can directly go for the milk.
Yeah.
Okay. You can go directly for that is called the aloe vera.
Yeah.
So, how you convince people to have
See,
this alcohol?
who will listen
Okay.
once habits,
Okay.
drinking, smoking,
Okay.
habits, it is very tough job to stop. What is my motive? The thing is, along with liquor,
Okay.
I am giving you wonderful things, wonderful herbs,
Okay.
without damaging, without ill effects.
Okay.
Definitely, people are saving. My main motive, last 150 years, there is no research in the liquor.
What dose of alcohol we want to have?
Yeah.
Can we get through these types of liquor?
Definitely, it is liquor only. Same 42.8 alcohol content is 42.8 like other liquors.
So you are
But here we are not adding not even single drop of synthetic. It is totally natural. See, the rice, from rice, Nepali people are producing rice alcohol.
Okay.
It is safe compared to other liquors. It is safe. Some grains, Nepali people are producing in their
The local liquor.
their homes.
Okay.
I visited one time Baglum area. Locally, they are producing very safe liquor.
Okay.
Their own homes. That is very good comparatively enriched with synthetic flower liquors. That is very good. Our ancient gods
Okay.
making Surapana and our kings making Madura.
Okay.
That is wonderful technology. They are using wonderful technology. They are using fruits. So many other grains. They are producing naturally alcohol. That is not bad like whatever available in the market today.
Okay.
It is.
You again dragged me into a legendary era
Yeah.
where the god Indra
Yeah.
used to have an enjoyment of dance with the liquor.
Yeah.
With
you are right.
Paris.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
is it closer to the exact?
Yeah, almost closer, almost closer. At the same time, the safety of things modernized. See, 150 years back, our phone how it is, 100 years back how it is, 50 years back how it is, 25 years back how it is. See, from telegraph to we are coming, we are roaming with Android phones. 150 years back, what liquor available in the market, same liquor available today.
Okay.
Why not developed in technology in liquor? That is my question.
But my question is that
I am losing. See, recently also so many, one of big VIP in India, one chief minister expired because of liquor.
Dr. Amarnath, can you please kindly make me convinced?
Yeah.
If you want to. Do you have any evidence such types of composition was there in the legendary era what God Indra
Yeah.
used to have?
Yeah.
So it doesn't have any evidence.
See,
You are-
our ancient, even Nepali, Chinese and Indian ancient history, you follow the ancient history,
Okay.
the Surapana is not new. It is very old. Now, the modern Surapana, it is very bad. I am not criticizing ancient Surapana.
Okay.
In middle, infiltrated. The liquor, the infiltrated. What is my motive? If I am giving as an Indian scientist, if I am giving 1% better liquor, tomorrow some other scientist is given better than this, I am very happy. We struggled a lot. See, our own family members struggled a lot. Then only I started my journey. It is my 18 years research. So many countries, so many places I visited. Everywhere people are drinking, smoking, heavy eating, starts complications. That is the reason we developed a new kind of liquor. It is enriched with natural bioalkaloids.
Again,
Better technology.
okay. Again, I'm not against of you in this
Yeah.
product, but only because of the information point of view, I want to spread it out.
Okay.
And I want to make my viewers know that what is the difference of the composition of this one liquor
Okay.
and the traditional one. Please, where in that reference?
Traditional one is not 100% scientific. Olden days, kings and devatas drinking, it is not 100% scientific.
Okay, not scientific or not was spiritual.
Yeah. You are right. After some time, started the fermentation technology shifted from here to Europe. The Europeans started same copper distillation, same type of alcohol, spreaded worldwide, enriched with colors and so many flavors. Then started worldwide started culture, liquor consumption culture, enriched with so many glycerin, sugars, added propylene glycol. Without propylene glycol, adding without propylene glycol, almost 95% companies are doing adding with propylene glycol only. This is not bio whiskey. We are not adding not even single drop of propylene glycol, glycerin, sugar, and other synthetic flavor. This is totally enriched with natural bioalkaloids. 100% see, today, after consumption of liquor, tomorrow they are suffering from hangover and other things because of dehydration. B1, B6, B12 levels are coming down, more dehydration of the body, heavy consumption of alcohol, also more dehydration of the body. We are compensating naturally whatever we are daily eating food, with that things we are compensating. With this liquor, we are taking rice from rice. Alcohol we are producing from rice, and the aroma things we are combination of natural aromas. That is the reason it is safer than any other liquor.
Okay, so we'll have more talk on the different elementary differences
Yeah.
from the traditional one and this newly introduced one.
Okay.
So, viewers, who are-
Traditional one means I am not understanding traditional one. What is traditional
the
one?
traditional one which was in market was
No,
established
no,
before.
no. That is not
Before.
traditional one.
But I want-
That is not traditional one. That is totally infiltrated one.
Okay.
That is not traditional. Traditional means whatever our devatas and our kings are producing their own. That is traditional one.
But we can interpret
In my view, that is traditional one. Whatever available in the market today, that is not at all traditional one, not traditional method.
Okay.
It is enriched with flavors.
Okay, this
Maybe
is-
some few companies are producing directly from grains. Few companies only.
Okay.
But nobody not given to little safety and other things safeguarded human consumption. This is liquor is
Being-
totally human consumption thing.
Beingly the traditional or the earliest eras one,
Okay.
by the point of composition view,
Yeah.
it is. But it has been established, it has been marketed, it has been launched newly.
Okay.
So when we are in the initial phase for the perspective of marketing view, that's why it's the new one. And
Yeah.
traditional one which was established in market conventionally.
Okay.
That's why I'm giving such types of terminology for this.
Okay,
one.
okay, okay, okay.
So I think it has been cleared now.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
viewers, we are talking business discourse for the nation's prosperity. This is a business television. We'll have more interesting talk on the newly launched bio whiskey. That is the different one, and very interestingly, you may have its effect on your habit of drinking alcohol, and a different one, an ambitious goal is under the production of this one is to avoid you from the habit of drinking more alcohol watching business television. Business discourse for nation's prosperity. This is business television, and we are talking about an innovation for the first time in the history of liquor production. That is bio whiskey, and bio whiskey that is alcoholic side effect free alcohol. It's an alcohol but alcoholic effect free. That is the proclamation of Dr. B. Srinivasnath Amarnath. I may have pronounced it mistakenly. Excuse me, Dr. Amarnath. It's a very interesting fact that
No,
being an
no, you are wrong. It is alcoholic, not alcoholic free.
Okay, but
It is alcoholic.
Okay.
It is alcoholic. It is alcohol.
I have told that the
Yeah, it is
alcohol effect free.
No,
You have claimed
not
that.
effect free.
Okay.
The ill effects are less.
Okay.
We are not claiming any. We are using so many water herbs.
Side effects are less.
Very less.
Okay.
Very, very less. Ill effects are very, very less.
Okay.
What is our motive? It is enriched with ashwagandha. The ashwagandha water herb, it is giving lot of energy and all neurological problems. It reduces all neurological problems. The tulsi water herb, it is giving positive energy. At the same time, gives the virus, whatever bad for human beings, it kills that bad virus. Brahmi, it is giving wonderful memory.
Okay.
Tulsi, I think Amla. Amla is totally enriched with vitamin C. And honey. Honey is instead of others are using glycerin and sugar and other things. We are using pure honey. Honey is the wonderful food supplement for all chronic diseases. It is wonderful antibacterial agent. Haldi, that is every home we are using haldi. The haldi is very good antibacterial agent.
So,
For example, that goes to, sometimes people are drinking, they are very wild.
yeah.
We are using wonder herb, it is coming from Himalayas only. That is called Chandelwa Kostu. It gives positive energy. Always people are positive motive.
Okay, if you mention like on this way, you don't find anything alcohol free which we are having
No,
now.
it is 100% alcohol.
That's
It
right.
is whatever alcohol is giving bad effects. To reduce bad effects, we are using methods of ancient wonder Indian herbs
Okay.
and Himalayan herbs. That is positively. Sometimes so many people are saying after consuming liquor,
So,
so many people are saying it is for us, it is cure this, that, but we are not claiming any cure.
Okay,
Our motive is to give good liquor for public,
Okay.
world. That is my main motive.
okay. In the very preliminary phase of this talk, you were very nostalgic, and you were talking about the habit of having alcohol about your elder brother or someone
Yeah.
else. So you were mentioning that you are making a contribution to avert people from the habit of having more alcohol.
No.
What is-
See, our main motive, don't drink. Our slogan, don't drink. If you can, drink bio if you must.
Okay.
Don't drink. You see in our publicity also, we are against for drinking. Drink positively. That is our 100% main motive. As a doctor, I am not recommending drinking.
Can you please mention it very honestly?
Yeah.
Have you tested it?
Yes,
This one?
I have taken lakhs of samples. I traveled worldwide. I traveled entire Asia, Europe, as well as USA. Recently, I visited a few months back. I have taken various states in USA.
Okay.
The consumption of level very high.
We are talking about on this one.
Yeah.
So, what about the traditional one or the conventional one, which is available very easily in market?
Yeah.
What about your experience?
See,
Where you-
mainly Asian and Asian markets, Nepal markets, only more people are using more synthetic flavor drinks. Europe is little different scenario. At the same time, American peoples also drinking more. See, America, you take American statistics, millions of people suffering from fatty liver. You are taking 100 cases, drinking cases, almost 70 cases, it is fatty liver, and they are suffering from hangovers, dehydration, memory loss, and so many things. Once started drinking, smoking also, they are taking more smoking.
I want to what is to be expressed, to be disseminated your experiences, and that is also the differences between that one and this one.
Yeah.
In your
Yeah, definitely. We have taken lower brand opinion poll in Andhra Pradesh. We observed a lot of difference after consuming bioliquor, before consuming bioliquor, after consuming bioliquor, bio whiskey, bio vodka, bio beer, whatever it is, and bio wine. Before consuming other liquors, we have taken lot of so many reports and lot of data available with us.
Okay, again, I'm compelled to
Yeah.
raise a different question that, as you mentioned, bio vodka, bio wine,
Yeah.
all of those things. But we are talking about the bio whiskey.
Yeah.
Are there such types of bio vodka, bio wine?
Yeah. Bio vodka, yeah. Already in Nepal market we launched in bio vodka also.
Okay.
And to reach, this is medium segment. We are having premium segment also in Australia. Recently we started Australian Legend single malt whiskey. From there we are planning to send Europe. And from there we are planning to send Hong Kong and Philippines, Korean, Japan and China markets. From India we are planning Middle East and European markets and African markets. Very soon we are planning in USA, North Carolina, South Carolina, Florida, and New York, New Jersey, Philadelphia. So many areas we have taken already statistics and we have taken study poll. It is well accepted. Very soon we are planning in India also, so many countries, so many states.
So very soon you are planning to launch it in India.
Yeah.
So
already launched in Punjab.
Last question will be this.
Already launched in Punjab,
Okay.
Pondicherry, and part of Karnataka, part of Andhra Pradesh. The India is very big country, 120 lakhs population, and one more, I forgot the wonderful country. Top of the wonderful country, 140 crores people are there. Down of the country, 140 crore people are there.
Dr. Amarnath, being a mass communicator,
Yeah.
being an educator, mass educator,
Yeah.
I have to raise a question.
Yeah.
There is a doubt
Yeah.
that in the experimental phase,
Yes.
you are launching this
Yeah.
product in Nepal because so many evidences you have,
Yeah.
and people are suffering from the different kinds of medicines
Yeah.
that is used and experimented in Nepal.
Okay.
So very soon you are going to launch it in India.
No, already launched. See, not only commercially,
Okay.
commercially, always you follow my words, commercially launched now.
Yeah.
Previously launched in Pondicherry, smaller way, test markets already launched. Commercial market, commercially launched in Nepal, not test market. Commercially already launched.
Okay.
Test markets happened various states in India, various countries.
As you mentioned, commercially is not launched in India, but for
No.
getting the sampling in India
Yeah.
is not to be tested, is not to be experimented. is
No,
not to be-
already experimented. Various states we have taken experiment in India only.
Okay.
Then only we launched it commercially in Nepal. Not before that.
Okay.
Without proving who will drink and who will buy.
Okay.
After small sample launching, then only commercially we shifted a small country or adjoining country to penetrate in the market easy. At the same time, different states, different liquor laws. One state maybe 8 lakhs, 10 lakhs population. In Nepal, our adjoining and our loving country having population only 2.5 crores.
Okay. I think,
At the same time, more alcohol consumption country. That is the reason we launched here.
Okay.
Now we are planning state by state in India also, worldwide also, country by country we are launching.
Okay. To be launched globally,
Yeah.
I think it needs to have the ISO standard.
Yeah.
Do you-
Sure, definitely.
Okay.
It is centralized. We are sending our all the blend. It is centralized. Total entire that bioalkalides we are sending from Bangalore from our own laboratory.
Okay. I just want to come to know that do you have ISO standard?
Sure, 100%. We are having our own research setup in Bangalore.
Okay, I was trying to find it out on this
Sure.
material,
Yeah.
but it's not time to go through it.
Okay.
So different question is that.
Yeah.
What's your plan in Nepal to have
We started top of the world. We started. We are planning slowly penetrating in other markets. Already started in bigger way in India and Australia. Already started. Very soon we are planning Thailand, and very soon we are planning Europe. Very soon we are planning USA markets.
So
Or
I think you have all the information about that. The Nepalese consumers
Yeah.
are
Yeah.
fashioned.
yeah,
They want to have the fashionable drinks and all of those things that is globally
here
taken as standard consumption.
Here I observed, here hardcore drinkers also there, fascinating drinkers also there,
Yeah.
and normal drinkers also there. But the consumption of liquor because of climatical condition, we are in Himalayas, the Himalayan country, always 6-7 months it is a chilly country. Some heating required for the body. That is the reason habitual. The drink of various kinds of drinks available in the market. Our motive very clear. Our motive, we are planning to give positive liquor for public. Some extent it is totally public friendly liquor. It is not damages much.
So I think you
Human
have,
body.
you have conducted some research also. So could you please mention how stiff is competition in Nepal for you to gain the market?
Sure, definitely. Comparatively, within span of short time, we reached nearly 40,000, 45,000 cases. It means it is 15 lakh bottles. It is not a small quantity.
I think-
Span of very small time, we reached, definitely we reached public. Public is well accepted the bio whiskey and bio vodka.
Okay. I think it was gifted diplomatically and it was in immunity. Was it? With a special reference to the SAC summit in Nepal. If it is not, I want to know that if you have faced some sorts of problems.
No.
Okay.
See, here our team is very good. Our team is motivating the public. Go for good liquor, don't drink. We are giving public, don't drink.
If you drink, drink us, drink out.
Drink not ours, drink bio.
Okay.
Or drink whatever you are making in your home, you drink that. We are not pressurizing and compulsory drinking our bio liquor. Drink better one, good one, safe one.
Okay. So if you talk about the safe one,
Yeah.
being a doctor,
Yeah.
there are so many recommendations from the doctor. For such kinds of alcohol, you have to have such kinds of food.
Yeah.
So the food and beverage with the alcohol, that is widely discussed in world.
Okay.
So as a doctor, how do you recommend people to have what kinds of food with these kinds of alcohol?
See, always any alcohol, my advice is any alcohol, not only this bio alcohol, any alcohol, don't take much spicy. Number one.
Okay.
It
Spicy.
is creating acidity.
Okay.
Definitely our liquor we have taken care not developed much acidity. Any other liquor, don't take much spicy. Take some fruit, eat something, then you drink. It is safe for your stomach. At the same time, don't drink more and more.
But the
Meat
trick,
limitation.
but the trick is that if people have certainly the spicy foods on their table,
Yeah.
they just think about the alcohol.
Yes. See,
And so,
the thing is, mentally, people are once you drink, bite something.
okay.
That is habitual. That is the reason we have taken care. Some alkalides, it is our drink is very smooth and very nice. Not required much food, not required much stuff to eat. Always better eat some fruit kind of thing.
So,
some vegetable kind of thing.
Dr. Amarnath, don't you think that the alcohol itself demands the spicy one?
Yeah.
Isn't it? You may have such kinds of...
Yeah, I agreed. See, the alcohol content and the spicy things combinedly added and meat or consumption of meat also. Combinedly, I am having statistics. It is very dangerous for human body. Adding meat, consumption of alcohol, everything, it is very dangerous. After sometimes starts other carcinoma, this, that, acidity problems, so many other things. My advice as a doctor, don't drink.
Okay. We'll have more talk on this topic later on.
Definitely.
Viewers, this is the television which talks about the national prosperity through the business talk. And this is business television. Will be come with the very depth issues of newly launched bio whiskey alcohol. Now I'm taking the terminology exactly, the alcohol, bio whiskey alcohol. Keep watching business television.